are going to love the 2017 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.